Mortgage rates are historically low, and that has many considering home ownership. Joining me now with some tips for potential buyers is Priscilla. Hey, Priscilla.
Start by obtaining your free credit report. Ensure information is reported accurately and aim to continue to reduce debt and build positive history.
How else can buyers prepare?
It's helpful to obtain a mortgage pre-qualification. This will mean that the lender will review your finances informally to determine whether you might qualify for a mortgage.
And why is that important?
It's helpful in understanding how much home you can afford and in determining how much you'll need to save to close on the home. Additionally, if you're not yet qualified, this will help you determine what it will take to get an approval.
Awesome, Priscilla. Great info. Thanks. For free resources and additional tips for home buyers, visit aplusfcu.org/smartsense.